there's so much that we're going to be teaching. And the bigger issue we're looking at is time management. Okay. And I think you can confidently say you're going to get more thrown at you in 2 days than, we're squeezing, 4 or 5 days worth of content in 2 days. There's a lot there. I got no time for fluff. I hate fluff. Elias and I can't stand fluff. No filler time. Like, this is going to be meat and potatoes from start to finish. We don't have time for fluff. And so, again, we're trying to compact as much as we can in 2 days. And so we're not holding back. Like, all the little tips and tricks of how we place the implants, insertion techniques, torque techniques, there's so many little nuances that we have blazed and pioneered that we're going to give away basically all of our secrets. Every little thing that we've learned to make you more successful, we've got outlined, and we're going to teach it. You're going to know, you're getting years of implantology and surgical technique condensed into 2 days. So it's a very, very zero fluff seminar. And it's just pure meat and potatoes.